Today you'll take your vocabulary test for chapters 9 to 12 of The Outsiders in literature class. Be sure to put your name, date, and class period at the top of the page. Here's your word bank. A, guardian. B, delirious. C, bewildered. D, convinced. E, wisecracks. F, reference. G, circumstances. H, contempt. I, underprivileged. J, grimacing. K, conformity. L, idolized. M, clenching. N, concussion. O, exhaustion. P, victim. The first one means flippant or sarcastic. Next is a facial expression indicating pain or displeasure. Next is being deprived of housing or education due to poverty. Next is a feeling towards someone of being mean or worthless. Next is someone who's injured, ruined, cheated, or swindled. The next word means to press together tensely. It's related to your body. The next word means an agreement with a standard. You're in agreement or believe the same as those around you. The next word is to cause someone to believe. Next is someone affected with a temporary mental disturbance. Next is a state of extreme fatigue. Next is an injury to the brain produced by a blow to the head. The next word means to look on someone with great admiration. Next is someone who's legally entrusted with the care of someone else, usually a minor, someone under 18. An adult is entrusted with the care of a minor. They can also be entrusted with the care of a sick person or an older person as well. The next word means completely confused. The next word is an existing state of affairs surrounding a person. And last is information that's referred to.